Hi, this is Pearl, and today I'd like to do a Felicity Jane kit unboxing. The kit usually comes in a beautiful black and white box with the black ribbon tied and wrapped in this tissue paper. Jenna does a great job of wrapping these kits for us. This time I ordered an extra paper pack because I seem to have a lot of ephemera left over, so I ordered an extra pack, but the kit will only come with one paper pack. Keep that in mind while I show you these cardstocks. Now the pack of paper usually comes with a half sheet of paper that identifies which kit it is, and what I like to do is I like to cut up that sheet so that I use those little rectangles as layers. The first page is the flowers within the buffalo check on the back. Next is this pink, light pink and dark pink striped paper, and on the back of that is this little black and white floral paper. She does such a good job with these. I love these. I want to hoard them. This is a green, mint green leaf paper, and on the back is this star, black and white star. I love that she has so many black and white cardstocks that comes through in each of her kits. I'm trying to make this all look pretty. Next is this gorgeous yellow flower paper, and on the back of that is this plus sign paper, black and white again. Then there's this, it's like a sunburst or starburst red paper, and on the black back is this black and white squiggly line paper. Then there's these paint brush strokes with the colors of the kit, and on the back of that is this diagonal black and white stripe paper. Then come the solid color cardstocks. There's the pink, and on the back of that is this red kind of color. Then the mint green, and on the back of that is the yellow, mustard yellow paper. And then the last one is, oh, that must be it. She also had the 3x4 cards. Now, I also ordered the library cards, and this is what they come in. This is what they look like. These are not part of the kit. I ordered these extra. I'm going to try to do layouts about my kids reading, I think is what I'm going to do with these library cards. Who knows? Or maybe just journaling. Now is this embellishment pack. I love the little die cuts that come in these little packs. They're great for sticking on your layout. This one says, be kind to yourself. There's always a bunch of flowers. I, again, love all the black and white elements that come in each of her kits. I'm just trying to show you some of what's in there. I'm not going to go through everything. Those hand-drawn hearts today, some frames. My favorite is always the gal. This time her name is SHAY. But I also always get the stamp, and this is not part of the kit. I ordered this separately as well. This is a stamp set that comes with your kit, and it's to make tags. And I ordered this separate. This is the die cut for the tag, so I can't wait to do some layouts with that. The kit also comes with some 3x4 papers, 3x4 journaling cards. I usually stick these into my Project Life album. I use them on a week spread so that they all kind of go together. So pretty. I like that there's a lot of space for journaling as well. Then in the kit, these strips of washi paper also came. I love this washi tape. And it's great because she gives you different variety, but it's not the whole roll because I rarely get through a whole roll. Here's the chipboard letters that come with the kit. I ordered an extra set. I always like to order an extra set because I always need them for my titles. And I pointed out that I like the hashtag included in the chipboard set. These are the puffy word stickers that came with the kit as well. They're the same words in black and white. Now these are foam stickers, part of the ephemera that you can use. And then this is separate. I ordered the black and white buffalo check traveler's notebook. This is separate. excuse me, the paper is so smooth. It's gorgeous. Now this also came with the kit. These are little asterisks or stars, and they come in different colors, and they're pretty thick. So it'll add dimension to your page as well. They come in all the different colors of the kit. Lastly, I ordered the Felicity Jane emblem to put on my water bottle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.